guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Rainbow Fertilizer and grow a garden. So basically it doesn't automatically make your for instance crop have a rainbow mutation on it, but it gives like a bigger chance for it to have the rainbow mutation. Like, unfortunately, you can't just like put it and expect there to be a rainbow mutation. So I want a rainbow mutation on my Romanesco. So let me see if I can. Okay, I will just take that out. And I'm just going to take out my Rainbow Fertilizer. Sorry, I just have a lot of big pets. And I'm just going to place it on my Romanesco like this. And pray that it will turn rainbow. It also makes the plant grow faster, and you only have like a 2-hour time on it. So you can like make it grow a little bit faster using sprinklers or something else, which I think I'm going to do. Oh my gosh, stop. Oh no, I do not. I hate this weather. It makes me dizzy. But anyways, that is how you can use the Rainbow Fertilizer. Oh my gosh, this chubby chipmunk is annoying. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.